The one is not a puppet. The one calls his and her own shots. The one is true to self. The one has the courage to walk when anyone tries to manipulate, intimidate, or control him or her. The one never lowers him or her own standards to appease another. The one has zero tolerance for games and manipulation. The one has inner strength, self-worth, self-esteem, self-honesty, backbone, and courage. He or she is true to self at all times and under all circumstances. The one never allows another person to have complete decision-making control over his or her own life. Are you the one?